Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, east central Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 3:15 p.m. At 2:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Janesville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Janesville, Abels Corners, Tibbetts, Millard, Love Range, Whitewater, Palmyra, Emerald Grove, Johnstown Center, Lima Center, Richmond, Avalon, and Elkhorn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is